Sorry if you're confused by what that was. I had this funny idea. If you were scrolling past, you know how it does the little preview? I was like, what if I like talk to the people who just see the preview? Now you've clicked away because I explained my joke. So I wanted to make Amazon FBA product research simple. There's this little thing that I do that I've kind of kept secret for the most part. It's like most people pick a tool or pick a lane and then they just use it how it's intended. For a while now, I've been churning out great ideas by getting two tools to talk to each other. And what it does is it kind of multiplies the amount of ideas that you can get. So we're going to jump straight into it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you happen to be new. If comment down below if I got you with the preview thing. Just humor me. So we're going to be using two tools by Helium 10 today. There'll be a 20% off 6 months link in the description to get this tool. It is an affiliate link. Great way to support the channel. If you're going to get it anyway, I appreciate if you use my link. The way that this works is I'm going to use the keywords section of their black box tool. And now I know what you're thinking. Paul, I know this already. Yeah, but this is just the first part. Like I said, there's two parts to this. This isn't all we're doing. So we're going to take the ideas we get from this, and then we're going to run them through another tool. I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to take search volume, and in true fashion, to my title, we want to find product ideas that can sell $30,000 per month. So let's just go we'll round up. We'll say 25,000 to 49,000. Cool. $11 is fine. People a lot of time ask me this. They're like, can you sell low price products? Yeah, of course. Don't you understand? It's all about margin. If you get an $11 product sale, but you buy it for 25 cents, and you're doing better than the guy who spends $4 to make 40. So math. All right, we'll go to 29. Review count, let's do like 4,000. And the main idea here is we want this part's important, 3 word count minimum. So like garlic press is 2 words, stainless steel garlic press is 4 words, and so on. That's what I'm referring to when I say that. Select all and then unselect, I've found, is kind of the way that I like to do it. It's always fun to be like, what don't I like? Human minds are so good at being like, what don't I like? So I figure let's just make it like that. If I asked you what you needed to be happy, would you ever say the things you have? Or would you say the things you don't? Yeah, you know what you'd say. Things you don't have. So ultimate wisdom comes in seeking validation from your external world. Now, check this out. So normally you could just go, okay, these are my ideas. No. This is just the beginning. And what we have to do now is we're going to go to tools. We're going to keyword research, and we're going to open up magnet. Oh, come on. I command opened it, but it didn't work. All right, we're back. Just put them all in again. Big waste of my time, wasted your time, wasted everyone's time. So not really because I edited it. I've got magnet open now. That's the tool that I meant to open. For you, this was only like a second ago. Magnet is now open in a new tab. This is important. Learn from my mistakes. And now check this out. I can take olive leaf extract, and you could just go one by one and just enter this in here and hit get keywords. I'm going to simultaneously just open a new tab, but this time we're going to let's pick another one. Do an interesting one this time. I'm going to look for a second. Ban deodorant roll-on, Shrek, wigs. Okay. AIDS to stop smoking. Let's take that one. Boom. Get keywords. Okay, now we can go back to the first one since it loaded and check out what this did. So this gave me 2,000 more keywords. You think those all relate to this? No, of course not. So what you've done is you've generated a new list of 2,000 more product that it kind of, right? A lot of them are multiples, but watch what we're going to do. We're going to say, get rid of any of them that don't have over 2,000 search volume, and watch what happens. 2,000 becomes 97. So we just cut that baby way down. And now let's check it out. So some of them are going to be related, by the way, this is just like a supplement. Some of them are going to be related to the first one, variations of the first term. However, some of them, for instance, this product idea, now I know some of you might not connect to, and this product idea, and this product idea, and this product, and this. You see what's happening here? These are, no. Green tea extract. It's just lymphatic drainage supplements. We have more ideas. If I was starting a supplement brand, I'm looking for niche supplements, maybe I could start, be disruptive, offer something that's maybe doesn't have great results, or a market that doesn't have great. There are so many ideas here. I mean, I could keep opening them, except for my computer would crash because I'm working off of I'm using Windows Vista, and I've got a old 99 Mac. I mean, it's just, the thing can only take so much. Come on. So now at this stage, this is the original. Oh, this is not the original product. Oh, okay. I open up X-Ray. Of how I'm like an old grandfather with my, just like, oh, interesting work, young man. So Vista's having a hard time loading this, but at this stage, I'm just looking at revenue, and I'm like looking if there's a market here that I would be able to actually get into. You know what's happening? I think the other magnet has loaded in. Let's just open all the product ideas, and I'll close both the magnets down. So you can go to search volume here, go 2000. I hope what you're seeing in this is the strategy, not the specifics. The idea is taking a phrase. Keep in mind, we took 2 phrases out of our keyword research out of 200 ideas that generated, by the way. 200 of these. So if you did this 200 times and opened up 10 keyword phrases that are different from the first one each time, do you really think that you wouldn't have a product idea after a day of doing this? We went from aids to stop smoking to a fidget necklace and meditation accessories. You see how we're just not duplicating, we are putting one idea in, and we get 96 on average I've seen out. Now, like I said, some of these all refer back to the same core product, which is non-smoking. But things that get roped in here, like a fidget necklace, maybe has something to do with this, but that is surely a different product, okay, entirely. So fidget necklace your dream customer might just be maybe kids with autism, or maybe it does help with something to just play around with if you're focusing on the sensation comes like you want to smoke, you have something to stimulate your mind instead and just get pushed through it, right? I'm not saying it's a good idea, but the strategy here has found me so many good ideas over, I forget when exactly I came up with this, but go test this out and let me know what you think. This doesn't have to be a super long video. I was just thinking about ways that I could add value in this area, because so many people are like, the hardest part for me is finding a product idea. How do you do it? How are you so good at it? Why are you so handsome? And it's mostly this strategy. Now, I'm curious. I just closed down a bunch of stuff. I closed most of the supplements we opened, but this one I left open. And I want to see if we can load up X-Ray on this bad boy. Yeah, that loaded much quicker. So market cap's like 2.8 million. It's actually a really good sized market. Most of your competitors are doing 5 figures in sales. This looks super strong. Now I know a lot of beginners specifically have reservations around selling certain types of products. Maybe supplements scares you, but I'd encourage you to look at any hurdle you're going to face in business as just a question that needs an answer. So like, how would you sell a supplement? What do you have to get improved for? I've never actually sold a supplement, but I have it in my mind as one of the next areas I'll be looking into, food and supplements specifically, just because the nature of being able to drill down on a specific value prop and solve a specific problem and really align your product development and your marketing all at the same point and triangulate onto a problem and get repeat customers. So there's definitely, the supplement industry is what it is for a reason. There's expensive ad spend. There's all sorts of problems that arise with this. But the point in this one that I wanted to single out was that this market structure of consistent revenue, sales, and the spread of buyers that are, or not buyers, so not suppliers either, competitors here, they're all prospering here. What I'd like to point out in this case specifically is with this amount of diversity in sales going towards US listings and how consistent they are and how everyone's really getting a piece of the pie. I don't want to be cliche, but there is let's bring quantum physics in this. There is a multiverse in which, let's not even say that. There's a way to win here. There's something that would go here that would win. Okay, so I'm constantly adapting my mind to be like, if I can just find a lot of ideas quickly, then I can think through amazingly fast what is the dream offer that even if I can't create it, could I just think about this customer and what they're trying to achieve and provide something that would do that plus something proprietary, maybe that holds me in my own, kind of category of one. What would that look like here? This one stood out to me because it is not just like the problem is in the title of the product. Okay, put it that way. Now, like I said, forget this is a supplement, forget this is anything. You can click on the road we took to get here gave me a bunch of product ideas in this specific video that were related to supplements. But I just felt inspired to drop that little hint out there that there is something, if there is demand for a specific problem and people care about getting it solved, one version of yourself in one universe solved that problem and was very successful and was paid very well to do so. So, rounding off everything, getting a bunch of ideas quickly allows me to spend more time focusing on, is this an area where people care that I can provide immense value and raise my product development and my marketing to new standards in this market and make it a no-brainer for people to want to buy my product. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. There's one here that you can watch that YouTube thinks you'll like. Give it a shot.